I am Dave Schmidt. I'm the chief engineer for the 1.4 liters, and today I'll be taking you through the most diverse powertrain lineup in the segment. So we've got 3 engines and 3 transmissions. All of the engines are actually made here in Michigan, and all of the transmissions are 6-speeds. Starting here on my right, we'll begin with the 2-liter Tiger Shark. This engine is actually 88% new compared to the 2-liter that it replaced. And in terms of performance, this engine outputs 160 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. And we move on to our 1.4-liter multi-air turbo engine. You may recognize this as the award-winning design from Fiat, originally launched in the Alfa Romeo Mito. But here, as I said, we actually produce this here in Michigan, right down the road in our Dundee engine plant, and it's made with over 75% U.S. content. This also marks the introduction of multi-air on the Dodge brand. Multi-air technology is all about efficiency. It's all about optimizing the airflow into the combustion chamber. And basically it offers improved emissions, but also simultaneously better fuel economy and better performance. Bottom line, all that multi-air technology helps us achieve a pretty fantastic fuel economy rating of 28 city, 41 highway in the upcoming Dart Aero model. But just before you think that you have to give up all your fun to have fuel economy, no, we have 160 horsepower and a very broad flat plateau of torque, 184 pound-feet, all the way from 2,500 to 4,000 RPM. We have 2.4-liter Tiger Shark. This will be available later on when the Dart RT comes out. As with the 2-liter I described earlier, it's almost 90% new content versus the engine that it replaced. Again, it's been refined, or it's been redone for refinement, fuel economy, and performance. The one notable thing here is that we introduced multi-air 2 technology. So all the benefits that I just described, plus we have additional range of control made possible by a special cam lobe. And that basically gives us some more internal EGR, which results in even better fuel economy. And the performance output on this one will be 184 horsepower and 171 pound-feet of torque. We move into our transmission family. As I said, they're all 6 speeds. We'll start with the manual transmission here. Very compact design, as you can see, and it features a wide ratio spread. So that gives us, in the lower gears, very good acceleration, and in the higher gears, very low RPM for smooth cruising.
You make this one?
This one is supplied to us by Fiat Powertrain. And then we have the PowerTech Automatic 6-speed, also a very compact design. And basically it's notable here for its very quiet operation as well as being very smooth. And then finally the DDCT, or dual dry clutch transmission, also supplied by Fiat Powertrain. This compact design has been customized for basically small intermediate sized cars like the Dart. And it's very efficient mechanically because it doesn't have to have the traditional things like a torque converter or a constant pressure pump.